Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I just wanted to shoot a real quick video for you here, tell you a little bit about these luxury leads that all of these agents are getting around the country. So I've been getting a lot of emails about it here today, as well as Facebook messages and that type of thing, concerning breaking into the luxury market. Now, depending on where you're at, there may not be a luxury market, right? Some areas have high-end luxury. Other ones, it's really just about increasing your average price range. We already know the lower the prices are of the homes that you're selling, the more problems you run into, right? They don't have equity to pay you. Everybody you meet with has to beat you up on commission because they simply have no money. Whereas when you get in the luxury market, heck, they pay $10,000 for a purse, right? So price is not a problem for them. So anyway, point being, we are generating an awful lot of leads right now with a lot of the systems that I teach to our agents here. I was just going through, I made a little note here from some of the emails that I've been getting just today. Osmani, while we're doing this here, Osmani is generating leads in the luxury market at $1.60 a piece. Jennifer is getting buyer leads in the luxury market, the more affluent market, at $1.37. Frederick is getting them at $1.71. That's seller leads in the affluent market. Beverly just listed one last night for $1.3 million. Marcus listed one on Saturday for $1.6 million. This is from running a real simple ad on Facebook. Look, if you've got $1.60, worst case from the examples I showed here, $1.71, you can generate it. So the offer that we use is the top 10 luxury homes available in this area. Click here for more info. Okay, so when you run that ad, the top 10 luxury deals available in this area. Now, of course, the top 10 is somebody's opinion. In this case, it's your opinion. So if they say, hey, I'm buying between 1 and 1.5 million, you would show them the top 10 luxury properties in that area. So very simple offer, but it's generating lots of business, and we talk a lot about how you convert those leads. So we've really changed the way we convert. If you're using a drip email campaign or something, just kill it. You already know it's dead. You already know you have less than 10% of the people opening it up, meaning more than 90% of your leads don't get the information that you're emailing them. There's a new way to convert. So anyway, I am going to be doing a training on this because we've had so many. I'm literally, as I'm looking at this right now, 173 emails from agents today wanting more information on this luxury. So I'm going to do a webinar video training on this. It's going to be a live video, me literally sitting right here. I think I'll be sitting right here. I'll be doing that. So if you're interested, I'll gladly throw you on there. Just I don't have a link or anything like that. I'm doing it for the agents that I've been working with for a long time here. Just private message me here, and I can certainly shoot the link over to you. But you've got to start thinking about raising your average price range. Instead of doing those lower end transactions, how do you raise your average commission by raising your average sales price? The advantage is they don't make all of their decisions based on money. They have a little bit of equity that they can pay for a good service. And it's just a better quality client to work with. And I enjoy working with those families because they do appreciate what we do. They reward us for what we do, and you get good referrals that way too. So anyway, like I say, the examples I'm giving you here today, $1.60, $1.37, $1.71 per lead by doing a simple little ad with a Facebook targeted approach. I'm going to talk all about it on this video training that we've got coming up here. I'll even show you the ad, as a matter of fact. And then more importantly, how do you convert those things? Because heck, we've all had plenty of leads that we can't convert. So I'm going to show you how to convert those as well. So congratulations to Beverly and Marcus for your new luxury listings here. I know Marcus said he's already got 3 showings on a $1.6 million house. That's pretty nice in that area. So getting 3 showings in a few days, very impressive. Must be priced right. But anyway, if you are interested in that, shoot me a private message or Google me. I don't know. Just reach out to me. I'll invite you to it. And I think you'll find it to be incredibly helpful for you. If you get your average price range up, business starts to get very good for you. So go out there and sell some houses this week. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. Otherwise, just shoot me a private message, and I'll get you on the training coming up. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.